Hey guys, this is a quick video for you, comparison between the Ctrader and MT5 and what are the things that you have to be aware of if you want to use those. So first thing first, Ctrader from my own perspective is more intuitive and it's modern comparing to the MT5. So this is the first thing. Now when we are going to go even further, the MT5 is more traditional in a way. So if you're into more traditional style, like it's dated but it's highly customizable, maybe you would like MetaTrader 5 more comparing to the Ctrader. Also, Ctrader is going to offer you like plugins, charting tools, built-in indicators, drawing tools, Renko, Heikin, Ashi, and many chart types, and also it's user-friendly. Comparing to the MetaTrader 5, you're going to find comprehensive charting tools, also more variety in time frames. And then you're going to have, for example, the order execution. For Ctrader, you can have stop limit orders, server-side trailing stops. With MT5, you are going to provide excellent execution, but less transparent about the broker spreads and commissions. And with the Ctrader, you're going to have the Calgo, the C programming language that you can automate strategies using the accessible framework. So this is the first thing. And the MT5 is using the MQL5 for algorithmic trading, which is widely used and offers a large online community. Now, with the Ctrader, you're going to have brokers like ECN, STP accounts. And with the MetaTrader, you're going to have brokers globally. Both got the mobile and web platforms, but Ctrader is better in that regard, in my opinion. And that's pretty much it for both, what I want to share. So if you have experience with MetaTrader and you like the platform, you like working with it, maybe the MT5 is going to be sufficient. With the Ctrader, if you want to go with more modern and intuitive and have like advanced execution, you like it more, and it's suitable for algorithmic trading in C. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Just want to make this quick and effective video, what you can actually expect. So have a great day and goodbye.